How to delete Stumble Guys account. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can delete your Stumble Guys account. So without further ado, let's get started. To delete your Stumble Guys gaming account, after you launch the game, tap the settings or the gear icon located from the very top right hand side of the screen. So you can follow where my mouse cursor is, just select that gear icon. Over here you'll find various options, right? So you actually want to look for the option called privacy and select the open button next to privacy. And when you do that, you'll find another option here in this red text called delete account. So just click on this delete account button, and here it says you are about to delete your account. Type DEL to delete your account. So in this box right here, you just have to type in DEL and just click on this delete button. And when you've done that, your Stumble Guys account will be successfully deleted. That's all it takes for us to delete Stumble Guys account. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.